Hi everyone. We're going to look at patterns today. You can see and hear patterns all around. See how this gift bag here has a pattern. And I bet at school your teacher claps a pattern like this. Patterns are something that repeats itself. Patterns do the same thing over and over again in an order. On this gift bag, you can see a color pattern. You can see pink, blue, or yellow, orange. And I bet if you look hard enough, you can find some other color patterns on this bag. Remember, a pattern can be made from almost anything as long as it has an order and repeats itself. Let's look at some examples. Here I have some colored items. Now, we're going to use these to make our patterns, but first we need to sort them into groups. Remember, we learned that we can sort items by their attributes. We can't sort these items by their attribute of shape, can we? No, because we only have squares. But we can sort them by their color attribute. So let's sort these into white and green groups. So here's all my white, and green. Now let's make some patterns. I'm going to begin with a white. So I'm going to say white, green, white, green. Then I'm going to repeat white, green. You see how I have a pattern going? I started with a white and a green, and then I repeated white, green, white, green. What would I put next? Yep, I would put a white and then a green for my set. Let's try another one. These. Now, this time I'm going to begin with green. So green, green, white, white. Let's try to be tricky. Green, green. Ooh, what am I going to put next? Let's follow. Green, green, white, white. Now, if I continued, what can I use? Let's look at our sets. I have green, green, white, white. So I need to start with a green. Green, green, then white, and white. Oops. So there we have another pattern. Remember, a pattern repeats itself in an order. So green, 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 white, white, green, green, white, white.